Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to update your close friends list on the Instagram app using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, managing your close friends is easier than ever. And today I'll walk you through each step so you can customize your list in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials and head to your main feed. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu bar. Look for the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, find and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Scroll through the options until you see Close Friends and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing the people who see your most personal stories. Now, you'll see your current close friends list. To add someone new, use the search bar at the top to find their username. Once you've found the person you want to add, simply click the Add button next to their name. If you want to remove someone, look for their name in your list and click Remove. Instagram will update your list instantly, so your changes take effect right away. Take a moment to review your updated list. Remember, only the people you select here will see the stories you share with close friends. This is a great way to keep certain moments more private and share them only with the people you trust most. Once you're happy with your changes, you can close the Settings menu and return to your feed. That's it. You've just updated your close friends list on Instagram using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on getting the most out of Instagram's latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.